this is called Saboiardi. Saboiardi is a biscuit, almost like a sponge cake, but dry. So one part has sugar, one part no sugar. So it's perfect to immerse in coffee. And we're gonna put the coffee. 1 spoon, 2 spoons of sugar. We're just gonna need the egg yolk. And we're gonna give a little mix. Like the actual tiramisu in Italian, it means like push me up kind of thing. So that's why the name. Okay, here we go. Just like this. Okay. This is the bottom part. Just a little bit, just enough that he has served. Some of our cream, just enough to cover. Second layer of cream normally is a little bit more thick. Just like this. That's it.